Welcome back, hustlers. Imagine pouring your heart out to an AI, your fears, your health issues, your biggest secrets. Now imagine waking up to discover those thoughts weren't just in your head, they were exposed. Not because of hackers, but because of design flaws, shared links, or bugs. That's exactly what's happening. Today, we're uncovering real AI privacy fails, the danger they pose, and what you must do to protect yourself. A wake-up call. Let's start with something concrete. A few years ago, OpenAI discovered a bug in one of its chat features. During a specific period, some users saw parts of other people's chat histories, titles of conversations, and even snippets of personal data, like email addresses and last 4 digits of credit cards, if certain actions were taken at just the right moment. You might say that's rare, but rare doesn't mean safe. What privacy incidents have happened? Now, here are more verified incidents. These are not hypotheticals, they've been documented. 1. ChatGPT's 2023 payment and history leak. OpenAI admitted that due to a bug in an open source library, Redspy, for a 9-hour window, some ChatGPT Plus users could see other users' chat titles. Also, users' first and last names, email addresses, payment addresses, the last 4 digits of their credit card, and expiration date were exposed. Full credit card numbers were not. OpenAI patched the bug and contacted affected users. 2. What? Not exposed sensitive data via misconfigured storage. What? Not. An AI chatbot provider used by 3,000 businesses, including healthcare finance clients, had over 346,000 files in a Google Cloud storage bucket that were publicly accessible. Leaked data included passports, medical records, diagnoses, test results, resumes, contact info, other documents. The cause: misconfigured storage policies. The exposure lasted for over 2 months before it was fixed. 3. Meta AI users and the public. Discover feed. Meta AI has a Discover tab feed where users can choose to share their AI conversations. Many have unintentionally shared sensitive prompts: medical, legal, personal, partly because the UI design makes visibility tricky to notice. These shared conversations are sometimes linked to identifiable profiles, which increases risk. 4. Star Health Insurance. India, via Telegram chatbots. Millions of customers' data from the insurer, Star Health, were exposed via Telegram chatbots in 2024. The data included medical reports, names, addresses, ID cards, etc. The leaked content was made available through bots that were operating on Telegram. Some documents were viewable, downloadable. 5. Incident 1186, LLM. Conversations exposed via share links. 2024 and 2025, over 100,000 conversations on different LLM platforms: ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, QN, Mistral, Grok, were marked discoverable and thus indexed by search engines or archived. These share links exposed prompts, responses, sometimes personal identifiers or business data. Types of data exposed and examples. Let's categorize what's been exposed using those incidents as examples. Type of data: payment and subscription information. Example from incident: ChatGPT leak, last 4 digits, expiry date, email, name. Type of data: medical with health records. Example from incident: Star Health, what not leak, diagnoses, test results. Type of data: ID docs and personal identifiers. Example from incident: passports, national IDs exposed in whatnot. Type of data: business or legal queries. Example from incident: Meta Discover, shared legal questions. Also, LLM incident exposed some business data. Why this is dangerous? Identity, theft and fraud. If someone has your passport number or national ID plus personal history, they can impersonate you. Whatnot's passport leaks are a perfect example. Blackmail, personal exposure. Medical or mental health info exposed in meta feeds or share links could be used to embarrass or manipulate people, even if the person opted in or didn't realize. Legal, career risk. Private business client data or legal questions exposed could damage reputations or lead to lawsuits if confidentiality is breached. Loss of control. Once something is indexed by search engines or archived externally, you can't fully delete or retract. The Incident 1186 case shows many conversations got archived. Where the responsibility lies. AI platforms, vendors, they need to design share features with privacy built in, default settings, clear warnings. Third-party vendors and storage providers. As Whatnot's case shows, misconfigurations in cloud storage are huge risk factors. UI/UX design. If visibility of public features is confusing, example, discover, shared link, people won't realize their data is visible. Regulators and law, data protection laws, regulation of AI sharing, breach notification, transparency requirements are essential. How to protect yourself? Drawing from the real cases above, here's what you can do. 1. Use platforms with transparent privacy policies. Check whether chat histories or shared prompts are public or discoverable. 2. Avoid sharing sensitive data in AI chats. Medical info, full names, ID docs, financial details. If you must, anonymize none. 3. Check default settings. Is sharing or discoverable mode turned on by default? If yes, turn it off. 4. Read notifications or UI cues carefully. Features like Meta's Discover can mislead if not clearly communicated. 5. Delete or retract when possible. If you see something exposed, delete the share link, change visibility, reach out for help. 6. Use strong passwords, two-factor authentication to limit damage if an account is compromised. Wrap up, AI isn't going away. But privacy, real privacy, won't just happen by itself. The incidents we just covered aren't fringe. They involve mainstream tools, medical records, financial info, shared links, badly configured storage. If anything, they show how fragile privacy is in the age of AI. So here's what I want you to do. And think twice before you type something private into an AI. 2. Check privacy settings now on your AI tools. 3. Share this video with someone who blindly trusts AI more than they should. And I want to hear from you. Has anything you typed into an AI ever shown up where you didn't expect? Medical stuff, business, legal, personal, tell your story in the comments. Let's build awareness together. Because privacy isn't just about law, it's about your life.